December 28th, 2025. I can't apologize for the recording that was yesterday. It was going crazy sounds. It was going up and down, and it was some scratching. And it was someone that, a spirit, of course, that told me that I should listen at the recording. And I find out that it was going so bad in the sound, and I understood because it have happened before, for maybe less than 1 month ago, that the recording was very bad, and I understood it was an alien that was in my home, because they steal, if I say steal, energy that like you have heard about aliens, that the car stop and things stops that have engine and have energy in it, and so my recording tool, it going down and up in the sound when I'm recording, when aliens are here. And it seems like aliens is coming closer and closer now. They have been close to me before, but it have not been for a long time. It was maybe 4 years since they come one night and I saw them. And but now it seems like they want to be in the recording, and I don't know what to do with it, because it's hard for you to listen, as you don't hear what I am saying, and you maybe have to get higher sound to listen, and sometimes then it's very hot. When I come back to the normal sound, then it's very loudly for you, and I don't know how to do it when they are coming, and they disturb the recording, and that's energy field they have is like, that's why we can't get any picture of those vehicle, those spaceship they have, because it's so much energy around it. And so yesterday it was about this name. It was real that he told me the name, the strange name, and I don't know what it was, but like I say yesterday, that someone of my listener know who it is, and that I have explained for you before that it's a people related to us, maybe not relatives, but they are in our family tree, that have been repaired on another planet, and they are coming back as aliens, but they are not really aliens because they know us, because they are related to us in some way, but they look different when they are coming back, when they have been repaired. And there is some sorts of these spirits or aliens. They are different from each other. And but most of those that I have been in contact with have been nice. It's not evil things going on, but it can seems evil because some of those races of aliens, they don't understand that we are emotional people. And I told you, if you heard it in the last episode that was bad sound on, that there was an alien coming to me, and he was telling how they did make a perfect planet where they are living, but the technical they did, but they forget to place emotional things inside those creation, human-like, those people that should enjoy this, that their planet, and they couldn't feel it because they didn't have this emotional that we have. They don't have that kind of heart that we have here. And those are those that they spy on us to come to understand how we can have these emotional things. And then I find out when I was homeless in the United States, there was someone that could read me and other people also. But he said that he have never felt so much love from a person like he felt with me. We have done a real big test also on the computers, and it's showing him that I had so much love that he had never come to know a person that had it. And that's maybe a reason why aliens are coming to me, because I need to take water now. Because they want to know how we can be so emotional, and I am very much emotional person, not going angry. I keep everything inside myself. I hurt myself in that way that I bring in everything, and I remember everything. In this morning, I remember what my brother was saying to me when I was a teen. And I should not remember it, but I remember because he told me something that hurt me so deeply. And then I can never be rid of it. It's there forever because he touched my heart, hurt my heart. He did a scar into my heart. And So maybe it's one reason why they have taken contact with me, because they want to know about my heart. And so I have I'm touched of a spirit. That's why I stop now. And I don't know what it is yet. But I hope it's not bringing down the sound. I am going to tell this that touch me that don't touch the sound of the recording, please. Don't do that. Don't do that. Then I try to rebuke you and tell you to not come back. You have to let the sound be on. And then I have done I start over recording because there was a young man that come and ringing on my door, and he should take the trash out. So I gave him a little of the trash and was talking to him because he was a black man. So I asked him where he's coming from, and he laughed and he said, "I'm from Helsingborg. That is the city I live in." But I said, "Where are your parents coming from?" I asked him, and he say his parents come from Rwanda, and that I know about Rwanda. Rwanda, not only about the movie about it, what's happened in Rwanda, but I have people there in Rwanda that want me to come and visit. But there is so much injection I need to take to could come to Africa, so I don't want that. And now I can't fly for a long time without any person that can help me. So I'm not coming there. And I told him that I have property in Kenya, so I have a part of Africa, a property, a real property that is on paper in the city hall. It's my name there in the city hall in Kenya, and but I'm not coming back there because I don't want to take all this injection, and there may be more illness there now, so I don't go there. But it's nice to have a part of Africa. I told him, and then I asked him when he should come and come back and take trash, but he didn't know. He get it each day what to do from the manager that take care of the trash. And so he didn't know. And I told him about the podcast. And I told him that I'm going to write down the address for the podcast so you can listen at it. I told him, and I told him a little about how I am connected, because he wanted to know what church I belong to. But I told him that I am not belonging to any church. it's I told him that God come down and talk to me, and then I told him about that I be ordained as a daughter of God by God Himself, not of a human. It's God ordained me. I told him that, and so he's coming back, of course, to take trash. But I told him next time I have a paper with my podcast address for you, so you can listen at it. And so he come just when I recording. So these tablets, computer tablets I have, I can't take a pause. I can't take a little rest and then continue to recording. I need to recording once again from the start. So I have done that now. And last recording, I was thinking after recording I'm going to eat. And then it's be more time I have to wait for to get food. And it's very bad, I know that, because my anorexia is calling me. And I don't feel like I'm hungry anymore. But I have promised you that I'm going to eat. I'm not going to stop eating. Even if I don't feel hungry, I'm going to eat. I have a schedule when I eat, but now I'm out of the schedule because it took that first recording. Then I talked to this man from Rwanda for a while, and then I'm recording now, so I'm about 2 hours too late. I'm out from the schedule. But I'm going to eat a little and then jump on, because just after 4 o'clock I start to eat again. So I eat a little now, so I'm not totally empty. And so I can't apologize for the recording yesterday. And the spirit, he touched me now a little, but he waving like he's on away. He's going away, so it maybe was this, that he should come and disturb the sound. I will see if he's disturbed the sound now when I have finished the recording. But I don't apologize for it, because that's how they do it. I can't do anything about it. So thank you for listening, and God bless you.